Lizzy B.
Today we are going to be opening some Series Wave 2 LOLs.
These are Series 2, Wave 2, Miss Punk Balls. Yeah. And we got 3. We found 3 at Walgreens.
Yeah, I picked one, and if you've seen the last video, we got Lux.
We got lucky with Lux. We got a gold ball. It was so awesome.
I know.
So now we're like, hey, let's just see who we got, right?
Yeah, let's just open it.
It's totally random. We just have 2 left, so let's do it.
We're not really like, we got a duplicate! It's like, it won't be a duplicate.
I mean, it might be, but we just want to see, just for fun.
It won't be a duplicate because like it's gonna be a twin.
It's gonna be a twin. A twin is different than a duplicate. Okay, so I got old school.
Look.
What? You just opened right up to the hole? Like, okay, what's your clue? It's weird. My clue is old school.
Oh! I think I might have got the angel. Oh
Oh
my
my gosh, Emmy's clue is opposites attract. So she either got sugar or spice. What?
I got a pink ball. Okay, that's really strange.
That is weird. Were they in gold balls?
I don't know.
For some reason I was thinking they were in gold balls. I don't know. I'm trying to think who's in the old school. It's Cherry and, oh gosh. I'm having a hard time remembering. It's like not even that, it was just last season, or series or whatever, but.
Yeah,
Okay.
just last
Jitterbug,
year.
Cherry, Line Dancer? Was that season 2? I don't know.
I guess it was
Keep
season 2.
looking. Let's just keep looking. Okay. So keep unwrapping. Let's see here.
I can't even open.
Now that zipper was a good one. Oh my gosh, you haven't had time. Okay, was Troublemaker in? I don't think Troublemaker was in the retro club.
You remember how happy I was when I got Lux? I mean, not Lux. Sugar.
Yes.
I was so happy.
Oh my gosh, Emmy is obsessed with sugar. We thought we had actually, she called Sugar Angel, and we thought we had actually lost Sugar there for a while. And I finally found her. She was like in a random backpack. I'm like, phew, because I thought I was going to have to rebuy her. I'm like, no. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3. I almost forgot how they did the accessories in these old balls. Old, they're not that old, but. Okay, so old school. I'm trying to. Oh wait, no, she wasn't. I'm trying
I have a checklist.
Stage. Oh, you. Okay, so.
It was.
Okay, so in the retro club, you're right. Okay, you know you either have Sugar or Spice. Pink Baby, BB Bop, Cherry, and Jitterbug. Okay, so that's who's in the retro club. So.
It's Spice!
Oh my gosh!
I love Spice!
Whoa, that's super cool. Okay. I'm gonna guess. Oh, pigtails. Pigtails? No, not pig. Wait, that's her arms. I don't know. That's not pigtails. That's her arms. It's.
Pink Baby?
It's Pink Baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
Pink
yay. Oh, she's got her little tattoo. She's so cute. Okay, it's Pink Baby. I like her hairdo. She sounds like a spitter. All right, and you got Spice. That's super cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so
like
that's fun. I like revisiting these older series.
But I can't believe I got Spice.
I know. Okay, so come on now. Get these up over your booty. Yes. All right, so I would say on this vid, let's do a giveaway on Pink Baby. How does that sound?
Yeah, because I like Spice.
Okay, so
Sorry guys if you wanted Spice.
Sorry if you wanted Spice. Emmy likes Spice. We're gonna do a giveaway on Pink Baby. And
I kind of want to paint her.
You kind of want to paint her?
Customize her.
Pink Spice?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Customize her.
Why? Yeah, that'd be cool.
What are
You can do that.
doing?
Yes.
Like I could customize her into me. me. EmmyKat. EmmyKat.
That's right. You could make those cat ears somehow, probably. Come on. I'm so glad
I could just cut them and then like get the air duct out and then mold it.
Yeah, that's true. Is this a necklace? Oh no, she has a passy, doesn't she? Is that a passy? Yep, she does. Okay. Awesome.
Alright, so I got Spice.
Yay, and I got Pink Baby.
Spice is going to be rolling her arm around. Spice is just going to be rolling around.
She's just going to be rolling around. Just rolling around town, guys. Alright, see if you can get her in there, and then I'll come around and I'll zoom in on them and show the close up. Super cool. Oh my gosh, she doesn't. Oh no, you have that thing in there still. There. There we go. Okay, guys, let's have a closer look. Okay, we got them. Here they are. Spice and Pink Baby.
Spice is moving over because she's really shy.
Come here, Spice. Quit being shy. Quit being shy. Oh, you're so cute, Spice. Where's your headband? It fell off. Emmy was trying to customize already. Here it is.
No, it wasn't. It just falls off really easily.
Okay, and so here's Pink Baby.
I'm shy too.
Oh, you're shy too, huh? Oh, she's leaving. Okay, let me see her.
And she's coming back. She's like,
she's
all right.
looking up at something. And here's Pink Baby. We're gonna be doing the giveaway on her. So what do you want him to? What do you want him to comment? I'm leaving you.
No.
What do you want him to comment for the giveaway?
I think that would be Spice because she's mean. She would be leaving her because she's mean.
Oh, she's gonna leave Spice because Spice is mean. She's like, I'm out of here, Spice. She's like, Spice is like, whatever.
I'm mean, so I don't care.
So what do you want him to comment to? Of course, subscribe to our channel and then comment down below.
Let's see. They should comment down below what their favorite LOL is from Series 2. And you can pick up to 3.
Up to 3 from Series 2?
So 3 people, you can't go up to 4 or higher.
Oh, okay.
Only 3.
Only 3.
Or you can go to 2 or 1.
Okay, that sounds good. And who's your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
And who's your favorite, Emmy?
Oh, mine? Let me look at the checklist.
Mm-hmm.
I like Sugar,
Mm-hmm.
Lux,
Mm-hmm.
and Kid Queen.
Okay.
Lux, Kid Queen.
Awesome.
My 3 favorites.
So cool. Okay, guys, tell us who your favorite up to 3 is.
Well, I don't, so it's not like I only like those 3. It's not like then I hate all the rest. It's just like those are my ultimate favorites.
Ultimate favorites. Okay, and you only went up to 3, so you followed the rules. That was a good job. All right, guys.
You have to show him. He's snuggling with our doll. He loves him.
Dennis loves Cheeky Babe.
Oh, you like Cheeky Babe.
Okay, guys, we hope you like this video.
Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on my maybe toy video and maybe not, but video. Goodbye.